Okay, so this video is to help you with the worksheet that I left since we have a sub. And it's just going to show you how to do two of the examples on your worksheet. And this is overriding equations for parallel and perpendicular lines. So number 1 on your worksheet says to write an equation for the line that goes through -5, -2, and is parallel to y equals 1/5 x minus 3. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to figure out what the slope of our line is going to be. So the slope of our line is going to be parallel to y equals 1/5 x minus 3, which means that our slope is going to be the same as the slope of the line it's parallel to, since parallel lines have the same slope. So our slope is going to be 1/5. And it goes through -5, -2. So we have our m, we have our x, we have our y. So we're going to plug everything in, so y equals mx plus b. So put our y, our m, our x, and we're looking for our b. First thing we're going to do is multiply 1/5 times -5, which is -1. And then we're going to solve for b, so to do that we're going to add 1 to both sides. So b equals -1. We have our b, we have our m, we're ready to write our equation, y equals 1/5 x minus 1. Now let's look at number 11. This is very similar to number 1, except for now you're looking at a line that's perpendicular to a given line. So if we're perpendicular to this line, this slope is -3/7, which means the slope of our line is going to be the opposite reciprocal of that, since they're perpendicular. So the opposite reciprocal of -3/7 is positive 7/3. We change the sign from negative to positive, and we flip this fraction over. And that's all we're doing with that equation, is getting the slope. So our slope is 7/3, and it goes through the point -3, -4. So we have our x and our y, and we're going to plug everything in to y equals mx plus b. Then we're going to multiply 7/3 times -3. Add 7 to both sides. So we have b equals 3. So b equals 3, m equals 7/3. Our equation is y equals 7/3 x plus 3. And that's our answer that we're looking for. So now you have an example of each type of problem. I want you to do 1 through 10 and go ahead and do 11 through 20. Get as many of these done as you can before the end of the hour, and then you're going to turn in your paper to the sub. Thank you.